In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make tomato powder at home.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do share this video with your friends and family and do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Let's take a look at the recipe.
So the one and only ingredient we're going to need for this recipe or for this powder is of course tomatoes. So I'm taking 2 kg tomatoes and I'm chopping them into thin slices. I'm going to dry these under sun, but if you stay in a place where you hardly get to see the sun or the sunlight is not enough to dry the tomatoes, then you can preheat your oven at 110 degrees Celsius and then bake these tomatoes for 2 to 3 hours or till they are completely dry. Make sure you flip the tomatoes in between. Or if you stay in a place where you get good amount of sunlight, then I would suggest that the best thing would be to dry these tomatoes under sun. And while drying, you can lay a thin cloth, maybe a cloth of dupatta or something, so that the dust doesn't settle on the tomatoes. So this is what the tomatoes will look like once they are completely dry. And please excuse me for saying tomato and sometimes tomato, 2 different pronunciations of the same word. That's confusing. I'm going to put the dried tomatoes in my mixer grinder jar and grind them to fine powder. So the first batch is done. Look at the beautiful color. And if you taste even if a tiny bit of it, you will get very intense flavor of tomato. You can use this powder over popcorns, chips, fries and whatnot. You can be creative with it. So this powder is ready. You can store this in an airtight container so that this stays fresh for longer, and I keep this in my refrigerator. Now I'm going to show you with 2 kg tomatoes how much tomato powder did we make. So the weight of the tomato powder is approximately 90 grams. So 2 kg tomatoes are going to give you 90 gram tomato powder. Easy peasy. Try making this powder at home and enjoy.